Hello everybody, this is JJRC with a new quadcopter. By the way, I am filming from the FPV camera of the quadcopter right now. Actually, I'm just going to turn off the lights. There we go. Save some energy. And today I'm going to be flying on a relatively windy day. I think it's like about 11-12 kilometers an hour, or miles per hour, I forget actually. But the point is, I'm going to be showing you how well this quadcopter can fly, even in these conditions. Another thing, the video quality on this camera isn't pristine. It's not really that good. It is 1080p though. So yeah, it should be quite good. Like if you're looking for a drone with good video quality, like really good video quality, although this is 1080p, so it's pretty good, then this is not really the quadcopter for you. But I just film relatively good video at low altitude. Higher you go, the more jello effect there is. Anyways, enough cheer chat, I'm going to take off. And this is full mode. This is not easy. Especially in these windy conditions, you need to put the speed dial to 100. Anyways, here we go. I'm going to take off from the ground because it's so windy. Usually I take off from my hands. See, it's a bit difficult to land on my hand because of the winds. I forgot to change the camera angle for the flight, so I'm gonna bring it a little low. Actually, I'll bring it a little up like this, so when I'm flying forward it will show a relatively clear shot of where I'm flying. So anyways, I'm gonna go again from my hand. I'll try to do that. I'm still getting used to flying it while it's facing towards me. So as you saw, it's really difficult. I need to get used to left, right, right, left, and forward, backward, backward, forward. Very confusing. Sorry, it's a bit chilly today. I should be wearing my gym clothes. Anyways, I'm going to take another few laps around these two streets. I'm sorry the lighting isn't really good, but you know, this is a good test for low lighting situations. And then I'll take the quadcopter one time up high. That was a good catch. I want to do this before I run out of battery, so I'll go a bit high, but I won't go too high because it's really windy. And I will make the camera angle like that. Good thing about this camera, you can adjust the angle, which is a very nice feature for such a tiny 1080p. Anyways, let's go. Ouch. I hope I didn't ruin something on that nasty landing. As you can see, the recovery isn't very good in these windy conditions. But when it's not windy, the recovery is fine as long as you take off the landing gear and the prop guards. I'm going to pause the video and restart it just to make sure there's nothing damaged. Alright. Probably still in good shape. Wow. That height really did a number on this. So I'm going to take it up one last time really high. I'll change the angle of the camera. And yeah, here we go. Wow, that landing was very tricky because of the wind. The wind just picked up there. Yeah, and I think I lost connection. Maybe the battery's low. No, not low. Anyways, I'll do a few more laps for you all on the straight here. It's just too windy up there for some good shots. Alright, I'll pause this and I'll take a few pictures for you of myself. I'll try and do this without crashing my quadcopter somewhere. Yeah, I think a picture of the house will be fine. Best I can do, really. Just the camera angle so it's a bit low, so I can take a nice high picture of myself. So, stop video, and picture. It's pretty stable there. Now, oh yes, the flips. I'm going to take a video of me doing a flip before the quadcopter runs out of battery. Wind picked up and the battery went low. Oh my god. So yeah, that's a nice flight for the JJRC H12C. I might do another action video for the JJRC H12C in my backyard, not out here. Anyways, chill out everybody.